Welcome to DECOLOVA. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Christmas decorations with a stunning white and gold theme. This elegant color palette not only brings warmth and joy to your home, but also creates a sophisticated and magical atmosphere for the holiday season. Let's explore each idea and see how you can transform your space into a winter wonderland. First up, let's talk about ornaments. A beautifully adorned Christmas tree with a mix of matte and shiny white and gold ornaments, featuring stars, snowflakes, and classic baubles, can truly be the centerpiece of your festive decor. Next, consider draping your tree with a gold bead garland and sparkling white lights. This not only enhances the elegance of your decorations, but also creates a warm, inviting glow. Don't forget about the tree skirt. A luxurious white faux fur tree skirt adds a touch of glamour beneath your tree, perfectly accentuating the gold ornaments and soft lighting. An elegant front door adorned with a white and gold wreath, decorated with glittery ornaments and faux white flowers, welcomes guests and sets a festive tone right from the start. For your indoor space, consider a beautifully arranged white and gold garland draped along your fireplace mantle. Adding white pine cones and gold leaves will create a cozy, festive feel. Set the scene for your holiday meals with a stunning table runner. A gold sequin table runner paired with elegant white and gold dishware creates an inviting and festive dining experience. For each place setting, opt for gold cutlery and white napkins tied with gold ribbon. This attention to detail enhances the sophistication of your table decor. Finally, create a stunning centerpiece with white candles in gold holders surrounded by gold and white ornaments. This eye-catching display will surely impress your guests. Transform your living room into a cozy haven with white and gold cushions on your sofa, complemented by a luxurious gold throw blanket. This adds both comfort and elegance to your holiday decor. Consider a gallery wall adorned with holiday-themed artwork in ornate gold frames. This not only brightens your space, but also adds a personal touch to your decor. Illuminate your home with warm white fairy lights. Whether intertwined with your tree or draped across garlands, they create a magical glow that enhances the festive atmosphere. Incorporate gold candle holders with white candles on your tabletops. The soft flicker of candlelight will add warmth and intimacy to your holiday gatherings. Welcome guests with a stunning wreath on your front door. A white and gold wreath, embellished with gold ribbons, sets a cheerful tone for your home. Line your walkway with white lanterns glowing softly, guiding your guests to your beautifully decorated home and adding a touch of magic to your outdoor decor. Thank you for joining us today on this festive journey through elegant white and gold Christmas decor ideas. We hope you feel inspired to bring these elements into your own home this holiday season. Don't forget to subscribe to DECOLOVA for more creative design ideas and tips. Happy decorating, and may your holidays be filled with warmth and joy.